Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And I hope you all are doing fine out there and doing well and keeping safe. I am myself, so I'm glad everything is good on that end. So with this video, some of you have probably noticed that in the upgraded Windows addition to the Windows 10 version, that there is a little icon down here that shows the temperature, whether it's degrees or Fahrenheit, that's in your living area. And this is a nice touch. I like it, but then I don't like it, especially when you may accidentally hover over it and it'll bring up this window when you don't want it to. And that's kind of aggravating, because when you're trying to get to a certain icon on your desktop, or your taskbar rather, this window will pop up when you don't want it to, and sometimes it takes a little while for it to populate, which means that it needs to update on what's happening in the now moments, and that can be a little aggravating. So I knew that there had to be a way to disable it, so I'm going to show you how to do that, so that will help calm your nerves when you're like, I didn't mean for this to pop up, I wish this would stop popping up. So what you need to do is go down to your taskbar, and you're going to right click on this, and when you do, you're going to go up to news and interest, and you're going to go over and you're going to select with your left mouse button open on hover. And when you click on that, now when you hover over it, it won't come up. So this is just a quick video showing you how to do that. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.